Hello and welcome to another unboxing. I have the KZ EDX today. So this is a single dynamic driver uh, from KZ Acoustics. I think most people are familiar with KZ. They try to cram in as many drivers as possible, give you the best value for money with as much performance as possible. But now they took simplicity seriously. Okay, so I have the clear transparent shell edition of the EDX. This is just one single dynamic driver, and yeah, it's a 10 mm driver. Let's go into the unboxing. Okay, I actually unboxed it while the video was off, so sorry, you're going to miss out on the plastic wrap, the feeling of that experience of discovering a new headphone. I just put it all back in to just talk about it and show you what's inside. So before I jump into that, so I'm just running through the site again to see what sort of dynamic drivers these are. They say it's a flawless ACG based master tuning along with strong magnetic force allows the KZ EDX to enhance the low frequency performance. Wow, that's a lot of words to talk about a simple single driver earphone, but maybe they have a point. So let's look at it. I mean, it does look wonderful. I've already seen it. So there it is. I was gawking at the beauties for a while. I mean, if you just ignore the price point, I wasn't expecting to be surprised like this. It's wonderful, clear transparent shells, and the packaging is just simple and perfect. Really nothing to talk about there in terms of you can't simplify this anymore. This is just right. The drivers, they say that they've been customized to offer the best on-stage monitoring. They're very nice looking. It comes with the medium tips already fitted onto that, and a single dynamic driver inside that. Like I told you, sorry, I had to pull off all the plastic wraps, but all that's included in the box is this 2-pin connector. The cable is pretty nice. In fact, it's a copper cable and looks very decent and pretty flexible also. And there is a simple inline mic here. Serves the purpose. Nothing to talk about, but pretty simple. And then a couple of options in terms of ear tips. There is the large ear tips, and we also have the small ones out here. That's about all there is in the box. I mean, it's no frills, and yeah, I think it serves the purpose. Now, coming to the earphone itself, yeah, I won't be talking much about the drivers, but the website says a lot about how they sound. They say that the low frequencies have been really enhanced to yeah, to go with this driver, and the noise seal is supposed to be pretty good. Yep, that's it. So this is it. This is the KZ EDX. I'll be doing a short sound demo soon, so watch out for that. Meanwhile, that's all I have for today.